We're still editing videos about the batteries in Sepex field, but in the meantime, we thought we should commemorate April Fool's Day with a video, because if you think about it, every day we work on the Acty is April Fool's Day. Anyway, we have a lot of clips of us doing dumb stuff, so here's a few of them. Happy April Fools.
So we're trying to figure out how to explain to you why we're about to try to tow the Acty with tractor. We're very good at justifying things. Maybe the point is to show you how light the Acty is. I think the truth is we just want to do this because we're fucking idiots. Because we're still 13, and this is what we would do if we were 13. But had the financial means of 35-year-old men. We're trying to figure out this gas can so we can fill up the tractor.
You can fix a gas can, you can fix a truck.
Oh, wait, you can pull this back like that.
This is not one of those screwdriver things, by the way.
What if we do this? No, it has this thing, and you can turn it. This bucket's here for when I inevitably break this and it spills everywhere. There's an arrow on this pointing to the right. So what happens if I... Oh, God.
Yep, there you go. Probably spent a good 15 minutes trying to figure
Well, there you go. Problem solved.
So I do have another gas can. Gasoline and fire never mix.
They actually mix famously well.
Lawnmower is butt chugging. This is an essential step that anybody working on an EV must perform. I can't believe there's new things to notice in this car. Mystery vents. What are these vents for? I have retroactively thought of a justification for why we did this. This engine has half the horsepower of the Acty's engine. If this can pull the Acty uphill, then that reassures me that even though our batteries have a pretty low discharge rate, we're probably going to be okay as far as torque.
An 18 horsepower engine could pull both a tractor and the Acty uphill without breaking a sweat, which is actually really good information to have.
They've had the Acty out the other day and ran into a problem.
These bits that hold it on, this one's completely gone. So we've got our old pal, JB Weld.
Too bad this camera doesn't pick up smell. We have a specialized jig for this repair.
It's not really butting perfectly.
We kind of lost the gray bracket that surrounds this little red part. We're just gonna make do with plain old epoxy.
The toothpick has become helpful as the epoxy set emitter. And we're getting close. Putting the boobs back in.
Can you grab my nuts, please?
Yeah. Well, these are the bathtub plugs that I ordered to plug the hole in the floor. Can't decide if I'm gonna make a nipple joke in the audio.
I think they go on the harness guy.
Try and get that out of the bag.
It looks simple. Oh, I think I see what's gonna happen.
These are shielded speaker wires.
We're looking through the manual and just seeing what things might look like when stuff starts coming out of the vehicle. Every component of this diagram is going to come out. You go on eBay.
We're learning about the car. Does ours have an STD?
Ours is the manual transmission 5-speed, so we are actually clean.
So we did not manually transmit the STD. It's laughing too hard.
This is my mug. This is my car.
Acty. That was Dave's joke.
You can take credit for it.
I can take credit for that? Okay, thank you. Very generous.
And now, a message from our sponsors, Chevy, Pfizer, BlackRock, Alibaba, about the beautiful future of cars. It is the year 2040. You step out of your house and into the looming shadow of your Priapero XXX. The sides of the car are standard billboard dimensions and will broadcast advertisements to passersby. But is this 1099 income or W-2, you ask? Don't worry. We'll save you the headaches come tax time by keeping the ad revenue to ourselves. A short climb up the ladder and you sink into the driver's seat. It scans your face and charges a facial recognition fee. You enter your password and solve a holocaptcha. After a pleasant, unskippable ad, it starts and the diesel generator of the hybrid system shakes the entire neighborhood. You turn on roll and coal mode, pioneered by Tesla, which makes you eligible for certain tax benefits. Alexugal checks your drive history and selects a shopping trip, and the Priapero XXX sets a fuel-optimized course to the megastore straight through a protected wetland. Did you want to shop at a local small business? Of course you didn't. Those cheapskates didn't pay the fee to be listed as a recommendation in our algorithm. At the megastore, a pile of unidentifiable plastic bullshit is dumped straight into your cargo area. On the way back, the windows dim to opaque archaic as your vehicle navigates through a large and unnamed neighborhood represented by nothing but gray on the map. The occasional crunch and muffled scream is muted by the soothing white noise generators. Don't worry about it. They're not car owners. The windows clear up again as you get closer to home. You're happy with your plastic bullshit. The stock market is doing very well. The Priapero XXX will bring you this world. And with our new mandatory lifetime subscription payment plan, you won't own it, but you will pay for it.
Show your support for
Chevy, Pfizer, BlackRock, Alibaba
with a sticker from our store. We also have a GoFundMe. The links are in the description.
I have to what first?
Sign a waiver.
Oh. What's the worst that could happen, huh? Ah, the suspension on it sucks. Hey, weren't we supposed to haul the bricks? Did we forget why we attached this?